Okay, we're gonna come back at night here so you can see how bright this flashlight is. This flashlight spotlight that this brand sent to me for this video, it is really, really bright. It has 1,000 lumens. 1,000 lumens is actually a lot. I mean, you're not gonna see too much now, but you can see that this one is gonna be really, really bright. And also it comes with this, so you can make it to be kind of like an emergency light with a red light. So that is really cool to have. So we're gonna for sure come back at night so you can see this one better and how bright it is. But let me just show you that this one, it is really cool. Nice grip, rechargeable, fully rechargeable. It's gonna give you enough juice to get us through a situation or something like that, or for just like camping, hiking, fishing, or just going out like hunting or something like that. You can use this spotlight that is rechargeable via USB-C, but also comes with this adapter for the car, so you can recharge it in your car or your truck as well. Let's actually check it out back at night, dark here, with this powerful spotlight flashlight. Okay, so we're here outside. I have the spotlight flashlight with me, and first of all I want to show you the red light. So this one is going to be kind of like the emergency light, as I was just telling you before. Trust me, this is red. It's not kind of like looking like that on the phone, but this is red 100%. So that's going to be kind of like your emergency light. You know, this one super red as you can see over there, and you have that kind of like halo. So you press one more time, dim it, press one more time, dim it even more, and turn it off. Now we're gonna switch to the normal light, which is gonna be this. Insane how bright this one is. Same thing, you press twice, you dim it, and you press again, and you're all set. Check this out. Boom. You can see the trees over there, right? This is not a drill. This is actually happening right now. It's super, super bright, and you can see how big it is, kind of like the halo. Just take a look at right here, the floor, how big this one is. And as I was just telling you before, boom, you can see the trees. Boom, you can see the trees over there. This thing, it is super bright, and it goes miles. 1,000 lumens. This thing is just fantastic.